Hi guys, Phil Morgan here, and the product's called Kickstart. And in all honesty, who doesn't want to kickstart their business? There's probably thousands of you out there that are trying to make money online, and you just need a push. What you've always heard is the money is in the list. There isn't a single person doing the internet successfully that is not collecting emails. This teaches you how to do it, and it teaches you an easy way to start how to do it, because it's very difficult when you look at it and think, oh, how do I do this? So what they're doing is actually giving you a free program to give away, and that starts building your list, and then you can use that list. But this does so importantly is it teaches you how to use that list. I've had lists before. When I first started out, I got people on the list. I didn't email often enough, I didn't email correctly, and the list was absolutely worthless. So you're better off with a smaller list that you treat nicely than a big list that you just let go to rot, really. So this is what this teaches you, and it's doing it for $1. Okay, I've seen two prices on this, but I've seen zero and I've seen $1. So let's say it's $1 to get it. I mean, it's an absolute ridiculous bargain. On top of the ridiculousness of the price of it, before I go and show you how it works, I show you the upgrades you can get with it. We'll show you the program you get with it. I'm going to just talk about the bonuses. This is a great little product. And for the price again, you can't go wrong with it. So let's just get rid of this over here. And very disconcerting. My picture should have gone for you, but I can still see it. So if we go down to the bonuses first, we can do this in a backward method. So bonus one, Kickstart, brand new product, well, not brand new product, great product out, 7-minute system. It's another product that can make you money. On that Kickstart, 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. I thought it was a bit silly when I saw it, but it's really, really cool, because it's difficult to think of things to do sometimes. And this is a simple video that someone's recorded, and it's just makes you think about how to look at things. And then we're going to come down to Kickstart, 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So when you're trying to get people to spend more money on a product that's worth the money, they don't always know they have to build this trust. This is what this product does, but this is extra tips in here to close the higher tickets. Instead of selling $20 products, $30 products, or even $1 products here, it teaches you how to get the higher product, the 1,000, the 1,500s, the 900 products that are out there, and a lot of them are really worth that money. Then we come down to access all the upsells from a secret product. This is a product that someone's put on for me, and 12 hours you get all of the upsells to go with it for nothing. So a great little offer this. So far you're getting a load of bonuses already, but we haven't stopped yet. What I've also done is I've put together a bonus package of 10 extra special bonuses for you. All bonuses there are valuable. They're all there to make you money. And I've also added, it says 10, there's 12 there actually. I added this on afterwards. I put 2 extra things on there, a product called 5-Figure Freedom, and another product is How to Profit with ClickBank. And then I got carried away, really. So what I've also done is I call it a crazy 17 bonus pack. I put another 17 bonuses down here. All of these are recognised products. They're all down there. You get immediate access to them. So without the product, it's basically, if you didn't want the product itself, you're getting 17 products here. I'm giving you another 12 products here, and you're getting these bonuses here as well. And the guys are going to give you 5 or 6 bonuses to go with their products as well. So this is actually a no-brainer just to get these products for $1. But let's have a look at the product itself. We're going to go through it very quickly, because the sales letter that goes with it is the shortest sales letter I've ever seen in my life. So it's called Kickstart, totally done for you. List building magnet. It's the magnet that draws people in, and it builds credibility and trust, because you don't know me, you don't know this person. But with the email process they're teaching you, it allows you to build up that rapport with the people on the other end. And it says stop using low quality PLR products to build a list. They've got a great course that you're going to be giving away. I mean, who's not going to take that from you? But by them taking that from you, you're going to collect their email address. So they've got an intro video here on the sales page. There's the pretty picture, and this is it. This is the sales page. Money's in the list, but it's more important how you treat the list, as I was saying earlier. So you can read this in your own time when you come to it. It's just a quick explanation, but inside Kickstart you'll get an evergreen evergreen product. Evergreen means it's a product that's not going to run out. It's one that you will last for a long time. You give it away, and you build your list with that as well. You've even got, I don't know whether they're giving a 30-day money back on $1, but they are. Click the early bird list. You can't buy this until 11 o'clock EST on the 4th of August. I don't know what time you'll be looking at it. And that's it. That's the sale page that you got that goes with it. There is nothing else unless they change it in the next day or so. So if we go back to this page here that I've put together for you, what we've looking at, 4 days means it runs out after 3 days of going live tomorrow on the 4th. So this is what it's all about. It's a copy of what you saw on the other page. It just tells you that it's giving you something to give away. Right, prices and upsells. It says front end $1. Okay, so Kickstart, you're in for $1. The upsells are really worth it. They're very good upsells on some of them. I would definitely take a couple, but I'm not saying do because it's not my money, it's yours. It comes on, you've seen the process probably if you bought things before, and the chances are you have. You get this video saying, and thanks for buying it, do you want to buy the upgrade to go with it? If you say no to the $17, they drop it to $12, and they say no to the $37, they drop it to $27. It's a bit of a game. I think they should just put it in the middle, to be honest, and not bother. I think it's a bit of a fiddle, but that's me. But everybody does it. Everybody does it. So so Kickstart, the $12 boost. It's an opportunity to explode your list building with a full promo package, training showing you what to do and how to drive traffic from 6 free sources. I mean, I'll show you this in a minute. It's a good upgrade. It's $12. So I would say this is worth getting. You get a guarantee with this as well. You get a guarantee on all the upsells. Not everybody does that for you. But they're including a sequence, 8-day email sequence in there for you. And you also get some extra bonuses to go with it. So I think for $12 that's worth it. And the Pro version for $27, it's extra training, giving you a site that you can use, which is worth a lot of money. It's worth a lot more than $27. But you can read all this yourself and read it in time, and then you could decide whether it's worth it for you. 67 Elevate. You get an hour with one of the trainers. I mean, an hour at $67 is pretty good value in this industry. It's not the cheapest I've ever seen. It's by no means the dearest I've ever seen. And I'm saying 67, it starts at 97. That's up to you whether you think you need that sort of thing. You've got the gold one down here, which is extra help that you can get. This is 147. I personally think it's a little bit pricey. I think the 67 is good. But this one, if you have bought the Pro version, which is this one here, that one there, for another 147, they're going to help you set it up and do the work, plus you get the hour to go with it as well. So if you bought this, you wouldn't need this, because this covers this one, and you're getting more with it. And reseller rights, this for $97, it gives you the right to sell this product. So if you bought this for $97 and you sold and people bought it from you, this product, you would get any of the amounts that they're paid. So if someone buys the 17 or 12, you get all of that money. So reseller rights basically means it's your own product to sell and you keep the money. There's some of the key benefits. There's no actual work. Well, it's not. You have to do things. I don't like the way people put that in. So of course, you've got to do something. You don't get anything for doing nothing. But by making other people do the work for you, you're using your list, and they're going to make you money. So, but you are working. It's a new, unique software and training to go with it. It's newbie friendly. It's easy to use. Proven profitable over and over again. Works in any niche, which is good. A lot of stuff think it only works in one niche. Working now because they've tried it out, and all the traffic is built in. And they've also included in here a demo video for you, so they're going to show you how it works. There's your bonuses again. So your bonuses I've been through. We've been through the upgrades. Let's have a look at the actual product that you get when you go in. This is the product that you come into. You've got your welcome page to go with it. This is a guy that's done the product for you, and then you just go through the how to do it. This is important announcement. This teaches you how to what we call whitelist the emails. Otherwise, they will send you emails on what to do with some things, and if you aren't whitelisting theirs, that they might go into your spam box, which is a waste. You go into the main Kickstart product and kickstart your income by building a list. Now this is on you get the link to this one, and here we go with it. This is a 40-minute video. I would have personally cut it down into smaller chunks because that's the way I work. But it's a 40-minute video. You can still chunk it yourself and how to do it. Click here for your 14-day get response trial. I use get response, great product. Download your opt-in page. They're making an opt-in page image for you. Grab your giveaway license rights. This is the license right. You have to have license right to use products. This is the license right to give for the product that you can give away. And click here for the boost upgrade. This is the upgrades that you can get with it. Down here you can get your promo email and your welcome email to help for you when people sign up to it. If you take your the upgrades you get, this is the $12 one, I think, the start boost. Let me go and have a quick check. This is the $12 one. And these are all the extra things you get with it. How to use YouTube, another one on YouTube. Facebook traffic, Twitter traffic, Pinterest traffic, Instagram traffic, Quora traffic, solo ads traffic, and email in your list with something else on email there, and extra income. That's $12. And the Kickstart Pro, if I'm correct, I've got to go back and check, is $27. So for $27, you can open up into more affiliate links for products, setting up your website for you, map your custom domain. This is all to do with the website that you would have, and then you can send people to the website and point your traffic to your new site, how to get the traffic to that new site. You get some bonuses there given with you. I've told you the bonuses that I'm giving you with it already, but you're also going to get another 5 products there that have all been made over the last 8 to 12 months, all good products. You're going to get them for nothing. So that's it. This is the product. This is all about building your email list. You need an email list because this is the way life works. If you're promoting products, you need someone to send it to. There's nothing better than your own email list to send products to because you have that rapport with your email list. So that's it. 12-minute video. I've gone through everything with you. Even if you don't like the product for $1 or $0, you're getting all the bonuses I'm giving it with you. So you take care. I'm not going to keep you any longer. I was going to say I was going to tag the demo video on the end of this video, but I'm not going to because it's on the page anyway. So change my mind on something there. So you take care. Look after yourselves. World's still a funny place. Where I live, the COVID numbers are rocketing still. So everyone take care out there. Look after yourselves, and I hope you enjoy the product. You take care. Bye-bye.